Right across the country, it's a race between vaccines and variants. Canada's Chief Public Health Officer, Dr. Theresa Tam, warned measures need to be stronger and sustained longer to control the spread of COVID-19 variants. Highly contagious variants significantly increase the threat of uncontrolled epidemic growth.
They spread a little easier, they cause more explosive outbreaks, and now there's actually growing data that demonstrates that, unfortunately, they cause more significant illness.
In Ontario, for a fourth straight day, new cases topped 2,000, and variants of concern account for about 60% of all new COVID-19 infections in the province. Ontario is moving 2 regions into its highest level of restrictions, but there is growing concern measures in those areas, including Hamilton, Toronto, and Peel, are not strong enough.
Now it's dangerous, plain dangerous, because these COVID variants are escalating at a time that I don't think the province, the political layers of the province really understand what they're dealing with.
Ontario is racing to get shots into arms with nearly 2 million doses already administered. Some hospitals in the province created standby lists for those under 70, but were quickly overwhelmed by people signing up. Many were taken down. In Manitoba, the province's nurses union says even those vaccinated need to take variants seriously.
This is not a ticket to take your mask off and go shopping. We still have to be incredibly vigilant.
Spas and gyms are already open in some areas of Quebec, including in Montreal. As Easter and Passover get underway, the province is easing restrictions to allow up to 250 people to gather in places of worship.
So people come in, they keep the safeguards, they pray, and then afterwards they leave by other doors. So their safety is there.
Modeling from the Quebec Institute of Public Health predicts variants will make up half of new COVID cases by April. And there is growing concern that could happen right across the country. As more vaccines touch down, experts agree this is not the time to let our collective guard down. Dhanraj, Global News.